Lewis here from Aspects, and I'm here today to introduce you to a major breakthrough in porcelain patio jointing technology. EASYJoint Porcelain is a state-of-the-art encapsulated sand, unlike anything currently available in the UK, and unique to Aspects. Applied dry and activated with water, this next-gen jointing compound forms a strong, non-permeable, stabilised joint. So before you start, it's important to make sure that the paving and the joints are completely dry. So the tools required is a soft broom and a stiff broom, a tile beater, a low pressure sprayer and a leaf blower. Step 1. Sweep. So pour the product into a manageable area and sweep into the joints diagonally until they're full using a stiff brush. Step 2. Compaction. For the best results, use a hand vibration tile beater. It will be necessary to top up joints after compaction. Repeat this step until the joints finish just below the paving edge. Remove any excess material from the surface of the paving using the soft broom. Remove any final fines with the leaf blower, and this will also help to level the joint surface. Keep any unused products in the tub for use on future projects. Step 3. Activation. Precisely water the joints using a low pressure sprayer for 15 seconds. Stop when water is no longer absorbing into the joint. Now all that's left to do is allow the joints to dry. And there you have it, EASYJoint Porcelain, a faster, cleaner solution for jointing porcelain. We'll see you on the next one.